guys, today we're going to be opening
Hey.
this Xfinity thing.
I thought you were about to say expensive. This thing is
If I can go up in the mountains,
expensive.
Well, we don't have to pay for it when it's out of subscription. So it's free to keep it home if you need anything from it. Yeah,
Don't try this.
but if you have another thing that's connected to a router and an Xfinity thing that's lying somewhere.
Don't try this at home unless you are a
Let me
professional.
know how it goes. Text me.
I opened the computer and fixed it.
Hopefully
Found
it's
out
quick,
what
y'all
was
get
the
fuck out of
problem.
there.
What was it again?
The charging thing inside of the computer.
Bye, baby.
I don't mean by the AC adapter. The AC adapter inside the computer. Switch my screwdriver.
Switch requires a lot of force.
Yep. No, not yet. If you're trying to take out one, you'll need a T10H, a Phillips 0 screwdriver, and a Phillips 1 or 0 screwdriver.
Take a quick pause to count how many pins there are.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
Let's see code is out. Time to think.
Dude.
Okay, called the disconnecting mode.
Alright, so whoa, hold on.
Ooh! Yep.
Alrighty, there we go.
Is this
Here is
this
what
a
it looks
cooler?
like. Look at it in all of its glory.
What are you?
Pretty sure the CPU is right over here.
Whoa!
There's no GPU. This is
Whoa!
probably the RAM right over here.
I have found a coin in here.
I don't know what. Oh, coin.
I think it's plastic. It's 1 cent.
Oh my gosh, it's yen.
Oh!
It's yen.
Whoa!
If 1 yen, if 100 yen is worth $1, then this single piece of yen.
I would have $1.
No, this would be worth 100th of a buck.
Don't worry.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
Alright, Gabriel, so how do you think you put this back together?
We can take more apart.
Really?
Yeah. There's more screws.
Let's try. My screwdriver.
Remember
doesn't
that's
open it. I
incompatible.
know.
Tiny fingers.
Tiny fingers.
Tiny
We're
fingers.
not copying the greatest technician that's ever lived.
My fingers are fine. My fingers off.
Hey, you want me to do it?
Here, you can do this one.
I'm okay.
Hi, tiny thing.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. Oh, there's one more from me. So it's 2-2. Okay, that looks like all. No? Oh, there's one more, Eliza. Do you want to do the last one? Burning metal.
I'm fastest.
I wonder what the back of
Dave the magical sheep.
What? That's a small battery.
Don't bend.
Oh! It got out of its top case.
What the?
Oh, it was already out of its top case. Well, no, we didn't get it out of that.
That's the AIO shield.
Ew. A Swapperoozy to what?
Went from Yapperoozy to Noparoozy to Swapperoozy. Pick a dang roozy.
Can you please stuff HP laptop? Come on, and yeah. And yeah. Please. Please. Boy, yeah. Boy, 9. Here, Eliza, you do it. I did 1 and did 2. How about Hackaroozy?
Wait, they can't see though. There we go, now you can see what I'm taking apart. This requires a lot of force. Am I just tightening it?
Yes.
Oh.
Time to pop.
Again, in all of its glory. Alright, Gabriel, what do you say we put it back together?
Good.
First, we need to put all the screws back.
Oh. Ah, no! Sealed! Yay! I So here's the part we didn't show you. The tiny little tip. Time to put on the field.
Sorry, it's taking a little bit.
No, I'm not saying it's about that.
Alright, what's the next part that we should screw in, Gabriel?
You guys enjoy yourselves.
Thanks, we're almost finished.
Hell yeah.
Satisfying. Yes, I can't show you.
What? We forgot to screw back in the AIO plate.
Where is it?
It's on here.
Alright. That's a problem.
We didn't screw back in the AIO plate.
Does it matter?
No.
No.
We forgot.
Alright, well, let Gabriel screw it in anyway, though. This is a dang YouTube video.
How?
What do you mean?
How?
How what?
How?
Oh, had me lost for a sec. I thought you actually didn't forget. I counted about 70 pins. Do you think you guys could count more? Or less?
There. Now I need to open it back up. A bit. Yep. You hear nothing back there.
Yeah, they do. They hear kids. So. I want to mute that.
Are you vibing to that song?
Heck no.
I thought this would
it does.
What?
Yeah, no, don't do it now. Don't show. I already showed it to them.
Okay.
Alright, so, let's screw it back together.
Time to put that SD card back in.
Yeah, it's time to screw you. Please, like, as in the screws. Don't take it for anything else. I know it sounds weird, but I probably should have worded it a little better. Can I put that SD card? Can I put that HDD thing in?
Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna try to put it in here. Cause the HP thing, you can put this in it.
Okay, but we're trying to put this back together, man. We could do it after.
I wanna see what happens.
Can we do it after?
Well, Eliza, I just realized it's in the wrong format, so I won't do it.
Oh yeah, that means it's in.
Gotta change the screw.
Alright, so where do we put... Oh, yeah. You do your side, I do mine.
Yep.
Gabriel, you're just starting to sound a little annoying, dude.
Okay.
Are you making sure they can see? Okay.
Screw up. Yep. Look! Guys, look! Void! Look! Void! There's void on my mouse pad.
There's void everywhere. There is no escape. Only void. And with it! Alright, Gabriel, screw it in.
I don't know where to screw it. Yep. Oh, I found it! I found the absolutely screw.
Now screw it in.
Wait, you said we do our own side. Then it would be 1 3.
That is true. But remember all those other screws you screwed in? I just finished this.
Why am I thinking of the Windows XP installation sound?
Dun 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 dun.
Wrong one.
Bum.
What if we don't do the screws on this? Okay.
Alright guys, that was pretty much that was a almost full guide on how to take apart
This Xfinity thing.
yeah, a thingy-majig. Alright.
It's Xfinity, not Xfinity.
Bye-bye.